Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check currently trending on TikTok. So for this, please open the TikTok app. So when it's open, you will see this is the interface of TikTok. So how will you find the trending videos that you can make on it and getting viral? So you will just go in the search bar and search for trending TikTok. So you will see the creator search inside coming soon to your region. See what TikTok users are searching for and get inspired to create. So for right now, this time I will not eligible to see the trending TikToks in my country. We will notify you by email or in this TikTok app notification. So you can just also search for this trending TikTok and you will be able to see if your country is eligible for this. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.